If any of this course is what you have picked in your upcoming JAM exam, medicine, nursing, optometry, dentistry, in fact, you're doing biology in your JAM exam, and by now you don't know that you cannot escape any genetics question, then you have not started preparing for JAM at all. Now, let's really look at this genetics question together, and if you can solve it, that simply means you're ready for the upcoming JAM exam. Yeah, look at this question. It's saying a tall plant crossed with a dwarf one produces offspring of which half are tall and half are dwarf. What are the genotypes of the parents? This question is typically coming from the first law of genetics. That's the monohybrid inheritance. If you remember your second generation crossing in the monohybrid inheritance, you'll absolutely get this question. But see, let me teach you a trick. Very, very easy. Now, if you look at this question very well, look at, they've given you option A to D. That's why JAM is very simple. All you just need to do is just to check the options. Which one is having the representative of a tall plant and a dwarf plant? Obviously, the dwarf there is the T. The dwarf there is the TT, right? Why the tall could either be TT or TT, right? This is homozygous, this is heterozygous, right? So what we just need to do here is look at the option. If you look at this option, A is totally out of it because it does not have anything that represents dwarf. So practically, our genotype cannot be TT and TT because it can never give us a dwarf offspring. I don't know if I make any sense. All right, but if I don't, then you need to visit the basics of genetics, right? But look at this now. What you just need to do. I don't want to waste time crossing this A because I know it can never give you what the question is asking for, which is what said offspring of which half are tall and half are dwarf. That is the end product. That is the offspring you are looking for. So, but then let me just cross it to fill out righteousness. If you look at this now, if you cross this, it will give you all tall. There is nothing here. That's why I don't want to waste time crossing it. But I'm just teaching you the trick so that you understand how this thing works. So all you just need to do is just to cross all the option and you look at the one that give you both tall and dwarf, right? So let's do the second one, which is this, right? Let's cross this. We have this to be this, this. We have this to be this, right? We have this to be this. So this one too cannot be the answer simply because every of the offsprings here are also tall. I don't know if I'm making sense. Now let's look at the C option where we have T, 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 right? Then you do your crossing, T, T, right? Then this is 2, you do this 2, then you have dwarf. Dwarf, look at this now. This one is giving us 2 tall and dwarf, right? Which is short, practically. So you don't even need to cross the D because that is the answer you are looking for. So our correct answer here is option C. Now, if you read the question again, a tall plant crossed with a dwarf one produces offspring of which half are tall and half are dwarf. What are the genotype? These are the genotype. And that makes C the correct answer. I hope you learned something I hope you learned something today, and that is just the interesting part of genetics. And if you want me to create more videos like this, you want to just drop in the comment section you want more, and I'll create more videos like this. And perhaps you are doing another course, another subject, you just want to also show interest that yes, you want other subjects. I will tell the fullback tutor to create content like this for us, right? So that we all can learn. But then if you want to join the fullback online class, we are still accepting students. So you can just reach out to our WhatsApp number. If you don't have a WhatsApp number, just reply in the comment section. WhatsApp number to reach out, or you send a DM, and I'm going to send you the fullback WhatsApp number so you can reach out to us. And remember, fullback will always get it covered. If video like this what you want to be seeing on your timeline, remember to save, share, and follow for more.